Hello, this is Xavier from Teleprompter.com. Welcome once again. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about content hooks. What is a content hook? Let's start from the beginning. A content hook is something that you're going to use in your storytelling to capture the viewer's attention. And now, how are you going to do this? Let's briefly go through it. First one is the intriguing questions or statements at the start. I'm sure you're seeing this in a lot of different media. Basically, it's at the beginning, pose a thought-provoking question at the very start. Like as I mentioned before, in this specific topic, can you master the art of capturing attention? For example, this will be a question that you're gonna start with, so the people will want to know what's the answer. Will have to keep on watching. Another one is make a bold statement. This is rather extreme. I'm sure you're seeing these as well. It's basically challenging conventional wisdom or spark some kind of controversy. You see a lot of this in the news media or in, for example, different videos that have to talk about something like very actual, like politics, that they make a bold statement right there. That this is for the people who a little bit like agree with that point of view. They say, aha, okay, I like that. Let's see what is it about. But as also we mentioned before, then you want to keep them engaged and you want to encourage them to watch till the end. So how do we do that? You want to a little bit tease with exciting content. For example, you want to highlight the most exciting part of the video. Give viewers a taste of what's going to come. This is a lot done with, for example, if you have a guest, then from the beginning, you're gonna start mentioning the guest. Throughout the content, you want to say that soon's gonna join us. So keep it excited, keep it interesting for them, something to look forward to. Another one is to use cliffhangers. Now, what is a cliffhanger? That is something that you're going to use to keep the people at the edge, like an upcoming revelation or a dramatic event. You've seen a lot of this, for example, in soap operas, that they just give you a little bit of information. Even a lot of these reality shows that they end with something dramatic that's gonna happen the next episode or just even after a few minutes. That is done as a cliffhanger, so you just keep close to it. You don't go anywhere, that your attention is stuck to the screen. So make sure you use these cliffhangers. Another hook that is very important is the visual engagement. Use eye-catching visuals, can be footage, can be scenery, but make it like really professional. You have a lot of great tools out there for this. And also, if you're going to the tool area, use dynamic editing. This basically means you can have fast cuts, montages, creative transitions. Because at the end of the day, visuals play a very, very important part. It's not only about what you're gonna say, it's also about giving them some visual stimuli to keep them engaged. The more fancy, flashier it is, the better. And the last one, as a hook, action. Encourage engagement. Action means like give them a little bit of a task at the end so they also feel part of it. It's a call to action. And this can mean whether you request them to things like liking, commenting, subscribing, or even sharing. You're gonna see that most of the people give them a little bit this task throughout the entire content of the video. It doesn't have to be at the very end. You can do this at the beginning, the middle, whenever you want. Another thing in regards to action is create anticipation for future content. Keep them wanting more. Give them a little bit of a taste what's gonna come. Upcoming releases, exciting developments that you have in the pipeline, share with them. They will be interested. And once again, that remember all these content hooks will help you engage with your target audience. So let us know how it goes. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching and make sure you follow us.